comes to your mind when I say better than sex? I think of cake. And that's what I'm going to do today, is show you just how to make this better than sex cake. But if you're going to a church event or a family event, you might ought to call it Holy Cow Cake. Because when they try this cake, they're going to want to say, Holy cow. So first, you will need to gather the ingredients. Second, you will need to bake the cake and prepare it for the toppings. And third, you will need to put the toppings on and the finishing touches. So, to gather the ingredients, you will need this Devil's Food Cake. I like Duncan Hines, but you can use whatever kind you like. And you'll need the ingredients that are on the back, which is 1 cup of water, 3 large eggs, and a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And for the topping, you will need sweetened condensed milk, Hershey's caramel sauce, Cool Whip, and these Heath Bar Bits, which you can get those at Walmart. After you've gathered all these ingredients, you will need to mix what's on this box and bake the cake as it's directed on the back. After the cake is baked and you take it out of the oven, you will need a spoon, a wooden spoon, whatever you have that's round at the bottom, to poke the holes into the cake. And I have a video here to show you how to do that. And that's how you poke the holes into the cake. Once you have the holes poked into the cake, you will need to pour this whole can of sweetened condensed milk on top of the cake in the holes. And then you will need to use the Hershey's caramel sauce and pour as much as you'd like on the cake as well. I usually use about half of this bottle because I love the caramel sauce and it makes it so sweet and so moist. It's great. And after you've done that, you will want to put it into your fridge to cool for about 2 hours. I usually wait about 1 hour because I'm impatient and want to eat the cake, but it's best for about 2 hours. After that 2 hours, you take it out and it's time to put the topping on. So you will spread this Cool Whip, the whole box of Cool Whip, on top. And after that, you will want to pour your Heath Bar Bits on top. Usually it's about half a bag or a little bit more than half a bag on top of the cake with this stuff. And after that, you can put whatever kind of candy bar you'd like on top. It's usually either Heath Bar or Butterfinger, but I like the Heath Bar better. And then I will sprinkle some of the caramel sauce on top just to make it pretty. And so after you do all that, it should look somewhat like this. Super yummy. So, I've showed you how to gather the ingredients, bake the cake and prepare it for the toppings, and then put the toppings on. So, now what do you think of when I say better than sex? Hopefully it's this cake.